enne me be kire unyansa minua masamu amede ba ye nyina ne say oba we first video ye ya me hwe ya ansamaba we so ye koto aba wie ya alankyremanten ye papa e decide say de akono nkrofo bebre adada no enti okodwene ne ho won pese ode ne ho bedi mu biu ane wokotwero krata bi de to abonten oba we ba ya news reportage e ba ya na nya no de ye adwuma wono ankasa read meaning into their own things na me pa cho wo nyansafo amodwen sa film lady wo nyansa me pa cho se wo ko obi ayi a na automatically no oba ba ya ne running mate wo ya na danfo wo ya dutoto muto me makwa ye wo bre onipa na owu ye ne kura mi nim no mutie de bia me ka kire wo se e ba no politics ya ye beye e ba no fie nyansa so a ye beye ene nka sa na me de ba bo ma din ka starting moto no dada enti enten fa so me say going to somebody's funeral according to a fiapoku avim lady no that solidifies say the person is going to be a running mate the atwa me awo e wo case no say she lied and as at now me who Richard Ahiagbla me who am friend is saying abua papu osu bempa to issue a statement to condemn that lie. Otwatro say, ya papa chiremanti anya ye NDC ni baako, sabi MPP ni baako kura nko. What be that? Na John Mahama kura ko ye. You see how diabolic she is? MPP ni mapa. Owura kwadwo chiremanti chief anya ye. Eyi onya ye no. According to Vim lady, one video to me twabaye no MPP ni mpenifo ba akokora nko. How can you say such a thing? The same funeral chief of staff was there. Chief of staff one na eyiye bebreba president ntumi nko nyina no president ntesio de to nanum ana say or de to vice president enum na omukoma no. Apart from the president alone, Alan belongs to a political party. Enti na dofo a wo MPP mu ekoko support to Alan. Enti Vim lady ehimfa na wo call ya wo konya video e kire say Alan Tremanti ye wonya ye MPP guru bi anko. How did you get that? How did you verify that stupidity? Even if that is right. Seriously. Obi amfa na dwenemra mamo makwasi ampafo we meka so mo platform nto mo de bedada ye. Ebeye dan na waka kire me say Alan Tremanti ye MPP guru ba akokora nko. Unim de enti okasa entotan enfama bawumia emma nanado. Oh won say Alan nye ye kroma nko. You start to call Alan Tremanti ye nyendo. Vim lady MPP before starting say womo kokoko womo ho aye na yenne. Ya chairman bono chairman abronye empanifo anko. Abronya ni Alan Tremanten hwan na nimu odu e wo party ni mu na waka kire me say abronya de omukoye Tremanten de omo anko obeye na betu ani so e betu awie kete sa beye na wakoje ehye wani ase akokoa wabɔ utu brezi ati social media e na kwasi ampafo nko na we interview no me de no kura no be wro ho de bia abuo bi te sa wo NDC fo bo wo mo papa wo ho ni na wro ho etetete wo ho poto no na we are feeling sorry for you wo koye wa no chokrodo NDC fo echi wo bro wo tete wo ho a wo sra ho ni na wro ye no ye no bi ni afele ma sa na wa aboa sa na ni na ye wafu akuya poku a we say afia poku avim lady Jimmy pa poku afọ di anka mo nyansa onko ani poku nkuto ni sika nko ana wuhu aboa kwa me kase tikase so wa no mtena OKFM no mo we usre ni abasa ya no bi na begina defend aboa bi tisa na ne anim se sa na ate kwa nko nipa kwa mel utie ne anim se wo baifuo kabretire sabe ayi bola so be ye mpete be ye ese wani ase a anka vim lady ya no bi nkia ma ndisi fo bru hukun utie ni anim se wo be ye mpataku wo be ye jimifo se di atena social media ababobo pounds aka nkwasi asem a anka ye ma ndisi fo bru hukun ene na ofui owi afisikenti. You see how foolish you look and sound? Vim lady, you see how foolish you are. You can't wish I got them wrong. Now we say NDC dear sooner. And then the upe scanty. Oh, can't quite see a semi begua by hoofy. Now, more bit to say NDC for about the power. About this time, you about bro every put in alcohol because some of they support such things. Meboa, ya chin Crawford, you amuko rape, ya Honda na J in Mahama, Echo tree or mobile, meboa, Muntia tray. It's more beyond the Cassie Quessy. You people know what these people are planning to do to Ghana? This stupid woman stayed on a platform one time and said, say, more citizens now muko to abano, and yamuna mose sa buying. And nobody looked at that. Obia ngene ho. When Yania Homatia got to Waba, say, would you you know, Vim lady say, there be, who will need to me, now or no, ye media no, nin some more Becca and a Bemwako vote, which is true. Or say the media is the regime changes. It is a way you are buying our back, now one for one, two coin, one for one called Dubai. One for one called baby Omopedia, your better campaign at Yawa Copums on Bepam with Fus, wow, boa papa. Men are none of Yania who marching. Sium, at the chem no moko to aba, and yawo, and our baby's regime, my. So why 2 pompous because your mouth platform at the Casa. Now, Mrs. Sadio, we are Casa, young Casa Yaya Bonnie. Yaya Bonnie be because we have given this girl a lot of chance and she feels sad or you're smart, but we're bong. I'm telling you that for a fact. I'm telling you that for a fact. Vim lady wa bon o nimushe. To be now me diaba. Ele noko. Esa wa. Now onye critical thinking tino and some no two a otu no boom. Boom, Aden and Crawford baby guso. Aden on baby guso, ye dear Kufu never umi at them. Miss obey ye no, a betty. Would ye obey ye na best says who sabi. When you fiance sabi, Adria off mango, say na no when you dear. And that's what I to talk. Vim lady, Kwafa picture 2016. Ah no, man muyano. Vim lady, Kwafa 2016 o picture. Sometime na mahama netiso no man mu ye kofa picture na fa to e na ekufuado na bembu onye na memu asesa na fa hwe e ya fa compare picture no lie no bi an say 2016 no wo se kwakuo ya de pounds no ball kura na mfa kaji ne de fa wani mu na mfa mu abi te se mu abegina ama na mutumi che yi Peruvian weave e ya tu che tu weave no bi an huti me ya hu anim asiakwa kukwala ga jimifo we enum ni na ya so mo agu social media ya so mo agu TV so they think they have the platform to talk nonsense we are more pi mame na me be expose wa ha me we are I will go to the NDC people and give them their doom so drip and I will sign off. 1 Abrantie ya wo hemfimfin a ye frɛ no Solomon Owusu no one Kevin Taylor he say the man we ni na akoba ye ne say according to ono we kwosua mining ho adwuma kakra enti MPP mu nyina no ne te mining ase enti no say ye po bi the mining ase ne nsa de a ye mfa ma no Ekufuado no ma anye saa na tukwa pai saa de a oba attack Ekufuado everywhere Ekufuado went this boy made sure say he will go and cause mayhem. I remember Mo follow no. Obeye video bi no what Denver, Colorado. Wa America beyond himself Denver, omo gold deposit. Denver, America for omo gold wo mining. Denver, Portland, Oregon, those places, they have minerals and stuff. Who study American history, near American geography near there, you will know what I'm talking about. And to call Denver, coral reefs near there. Oh, but Denver, they are known for what? Mining and stuff like that. And na kwasia Solomon na woni munyansa first time ni utie Solomon bia ni munyansa Solomon Howard Solomon Owusu ani Solomon Nkansa won ko na enye yare enko a yede afu enenam boy we ko gina Denver baby a ye mining ana o kire say na ye mining enso ye nhwe dia Ghana sebe aban na makwan ama ya den ama ye say ye nsuo first thing I can say there be this guy has an agenda because number 1 aban entumi nkonkomo obi akwan say onkonkon ye den onkoya mining e wo nsuo 2